students, welcome to English grammar class. Today we will start our chapter number 36, word confused and misused. We come across many words that sound the same but have different meanings and spellings. Let us see if we can remember to use them correctly. Words confused and misused. We also see, हमने ये देखा है कि डिफरेंस वर्ड्स को सेम प्रोनाउंस किया जाता है बट उनका मीनिंग डिफरेंट होता है. तो हम यहाँ पे करेक्ट वर्ड को अंडरलाइन करना है और उसको जो सेंटेंस है उसको मीनिंगफुल बनाना है. द बुक ऑन स्पेस ट्रैवल अराइव्ड इन अ प्लान और प्लेन ब्राउन एनवेलप. इसमें कौन सा यूज़ होगा? प्लेन, PLAIN. द ब्यूटी पिगमेंट कॉन्टेस्ट said that she wished for words peace or peace. Here is peace with PE, not a PI. As the years passed, Gimth grew to be as fair and beautiful as her angelic mother. Here is past, not past, not with T, with ED. This floral pattern works best with coarse cotton fabric. Which one is COARSE, not a CURSE. The brakes and barks of any vehicle are circled for its safety. Here is brakes. She gave birth, or BIRTH, birth to twins. The patient died before the doctor arrived. Died with YED or DIED. So here is DIED. Father bought a pair of trousers for ₹500. Here is BR और BO. दो उसने क्या किया? नॉट के ब्राउट, उसने क्या किया? बाउट. इन दोनों को हम कैसे प्रोनाउंस करते हैं? वाउट और बाउट. प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज सेम बट द डिफरेंस इन द मीनिंग. व्हेन अ बेबी ग्रोज इट इंक्रीजेज इन वेट और वेट एंड हाइट. हेयर इज़ वेट. कौन सा? उसने वेट इंक्रीज़ किया है तो नॉट अ वेट, इसमें वेट यूज़ नहीं होगा, इसमें WEIGHT होगा. माई ग्रैंड मदर्स टेल वॉज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. हेयर TALE. To their surprise, the paper rose at once to the ceiling or ceiling. Paper rose to once to the ceiling or ceiling. Ceiling with SCALING or SCEILNG. These start with CEILNG. Some peoples are too tired to stay there for the whole night. So some people are too tired to stay there for the whole night. The postman could not tell me if I had any mail or mail. A company is allowed to make a profit on the goods which it offers to sell. So we complete the sentence with these sentences. A company is allowed to make a profit on the goods which it offers for sale. All goods which are sent through the post of the customers must be paid for or returned within 1 week or week. All goods which are sent through the post to the customer must be paid for or returned within 1 week. So these are the sentences where we are confused and misuse these sentences, but the meanings are different. And these sentences we also confuse with these words, and we are using for a misuse these words. Anthems and synonyms. Remember, we have learned earlier that anthems are words with opposite meaning. For example, borrow, lend, warm, cool. जो anthems होते हैं वो हमारे कौन से होते हैं? जिसको हम opposite words बोल देते हैं, वो होते हैं. Now write the antonyms of the underlined words in these sentences. The market is very quiet. Quiet means शांत, और हम इसका word क्या लेंगे? Opposite words noisy. King Himata was a very kind king. Kind और kind का king क्या होता है? Opposite cruel. This dress is very loose. Loose का क्या होता है? Tight. तो here we use tight. Put the plates above the napkins. Above का opposite क्या होता है? Below. This road is very wide. Wide का opposite narrow. Then the aunt took the smooth rocky path. Smooth का opposite rough. I met a wise man sitting under a huge tree. Huge का opposite small. My uncle buys lovely toys. Buys का opposite sells. I know. I will remember your name. I here remembers का opposite is forgot. Forget. When I peeped into the bedroom, the baby was awake. Awake का opposite asleep. We have to buy another bulb. This one is too bright. Bright का opposite dull. तो these are the words we have to change with the opposite words. हमें इसमें क्या लिखना है, इन सब के अपोजिट वर्ड्स लिखने हैं. होप यू अंडरस्टैंड ऑल द वर्ड्स. थैंक यू. हैव अ गुड डे.